Class 9 Science Atomic Structure Second part. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Now we are discussing the second part of this lesson. Now the question is that describe Bohr atomic model. What happened in Bohr model? So first point of the Bohr model, Bohr-Bury scheme. What is the maximum number of electron present in cell is given by the formula, that is the 2n square. Always remember, it is the formula for the distributed the electrons in various orbit, where n is the cell number. For k it is the n is equal to 1, 4, L, M, n, cells n is equal to 2, 3, 4 respectively. The maximum number of electron first orbit k cell will be 2 into 1 square, that is the 2. Similarly, we can calculate the maximum number of electrons in order to cell in other cell. The electrons present in the outermost cell are called valence electron cell. So you can always remember this one is valence electron. Outermost orbit cell electrons is called as valence electrons, and this cell is called valence cell. So it is called valence cell. Now let us see what happened in this step, in this number. So here is number of n and here is 2n square. So first one is, if n is equal to 1, so what will be happen? 2 into 1 square, that means it is 2. So n is equal to 2, that means 2 into 2 square, it means 2 to the 4 and 2 the 8. Now this, if n is equal to 3, that means it is 2 into 3 square, that is the 9 to the 18. If n is equal to 4, so you can write here 2 into 4 square, 4 4 ja 16 and 2 ja 32. So these are the maximum number of electron in the orbit. The first orbit has the maximum number of electron 2, second orbit it is the maximum number of electrons 8, and the third one is it is 18, and fourth one is 32. These are the maximum number of electrons in any orbit. That is your first orbit, and it is in your second orbit, it is in your third orbit, and it is in your fourth orbit, and so on. So what happened in this? So we can see here atomic structure of this. So how can say? So first of all, go to the point on the Bohr model. Now second, the maximum number of electrons that can be accumulated in the outermost cell is 8, and its key is the outermost cell, and the maximum number of electron is then 2. आउटरमोस्ट सेल में जो है मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, इससे ज्यादा हम नहीं भर सकते हैं जब तक इनसाइड वाली फुलफिल ना हो. नाउ नंबर 3, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर नॉट अक्यूमुलेटेड इन अ गिवन सेल अनलेस द इनर सेल आर फिल्ड. जब तक इनर वाली फिल्ड नहीं हो जाएगी तब तक आउटर में नहीं जाएगा. दैट इज द सेल्स आर फिल्ड इन अ स्टेप वाइज मैनर. इस तरह से स्टेप वाइज हमें फिल करना है. नाउ फोर्थ पॉइंट, इवन व्हेन द कैपेसिटी ऑफ पेनुल्टाइम cell is more than 8, a ninth electron is placed it only after 2 electrons have entered the last cell. For example, atomic number of calcium 20, but its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8 and 2, not 2, 8, 9, 2. So that is the main reason. So you can say if it is 8 completed, then the next orbit is completed by the next electron. The schematic atomic structure of the first 18 elements per the Bohr theorem scheme. So you can see here how can this one done. So first, if you have atomic number 1, so you have 1 electron. If it is 2, so you can say it is 2. If it is 3, so you can say 2 and 1. If it is 4, so you can say 2, 2. If it is 5, so you can say 2 and 3, and it is 6, it is 2, 4. If it is 7, it is 2, 5. If it is 8, so you can say 2, 6, and it is 9, so you can say 2, 7. If it is 10, so you can say 2, 8, and after this 11, so you can say 2, 8, 1, and it is 12, so it is 2, 8, 2. so it is 13, so you can say 2 8 3. And now 14, so it is 2 8 4. Now 15, so it is 2 8 5. It is the electronic configuration of these atoms. And 16, it is 2 8 6. Now 17, it is 2 8 7. And what about 218? It is 2 8 8. Now 19, it is 2 8 8 1. Now it is 20, it is 2 8 8 2. So this type you can do the electronic configuration. In your course only 20 are having here. Now come to the structure of these elements. How can construct with the help of this rule? This rule, that one is Bohr atomic model. It is given on the basis of Bohr atomic model. These are the structure of this. This is the hydrogen and it has the atomic number 1, so there is only one electron is moving. It has 2, so 2 electrons are moving in the first orbit. Lithium is 3, so there are 3 electrons, 1 2 3. And beryllium, it is 4, it is 4 electrons, 1 2 and 1 2 2 2. So it is 2 and 3, you can say. It is boron, it is 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7. 3 is 2 and 1, 4, that is the 2 2, you can see 2 here and 2 here. And it is 5 2 3, 2 is here and 3 is outside. 6 2 4, it is carbon, 2 is here and 4 is outside. Here is 7 nitrogen, so it becomes 2 inside and 5 outside. So 5 is called as valence electron and it is cell is called as valence cell. Now what about to oxygen? Oxygen has, it is 8. So 8 is 2 and 6, so 6 are outside. Fluorine, it is 9, so 2 and 7. It is neon, it is 10, so it is 2 8, so you can count the. Sodium, it is 11, so it is 2 8 and 1, you can see here 2 8 and 1. Magnesium, it is 12, so it is 2 8 and 2. And the aluminum, it is 13. What about to this one? It is 2 8 and 3, you can see here 2 8 and 3, it is 3. Now silicon, it is 14, so it is 2 8 and 4, you can say 2 8 and 4 is also. Now phosphorus, it is 15, that means 15 is 2 8 and 5, so you can see here is 2 and it is 8 and it is 5, you can count 1 2 3 4 and 5. Sulfur is 16, so it is 2 8 and 6, not 8. It is 16, so 16 is 2 8 and 6. What is the chlorine? It is 17, it is 2 8 and 7, you can see here 2, it is 8 and it is 7, you can count. And argon, that is the 20. And what about to 20? So 2 8 8 and 2. So these are the types. Now you can do all these type of structure. This is the lithium structure, beryllium structure, boron structure, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. इन सब के सिंबल और नेम भी आपको लर्न करने हैं. बिना स्ट्रक्चर, बिना सिंबल लर्न करे आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. सो यू हैव टू लर्न कंप्लीट दिस वन and it is necessary for your chemistry, otherwise you don't know the chemistry. Now come to the next. What happen in the next one? There is a table and there is some elements are given, the some symbols are given and number of electrons are also given here, and there is the distribution of electrons in some orbits, it is given. And this is the electronic configuration. I have told you some manners. And the valence electron, these are the valence electron, and some there are a question mark, so that is the filling by you. Now I have told so many times this structure. So first one is hydrogen. It is denoted by H, and the number of electron, that is 1. It has only K cell, and that is the 1 electron. And electronic configuration, it is 1, and valence electron, that is the 1. In outermost shell electron, that is called as valence electron. Now lithium. In lithium there is 3. Atomic number is 3, so electron is 3. Now it has 2 and 1. So electronic configuration is 2 1. So you can see here 2 1. So 1 is the valence electron. So you can say it is the 1 electron. Now carbon has 6. 6 is divided 2. So here is 4. It is the question mark 4. So you can write here 2 4. It is the carbon. So valence electron is 4. Now what about to oxygen? Oxygen is 8. So first orbit it is 2, and the second orbit it is 6. Now the electronic configuration is 2 6, and the number of electron in outermost, that is the 6. So it is valence electron. What about to sodium? Sodium is 2, and here is 8 and 1. So electronic configuration is 2 8 1. So valence electron is only 1. So outermost cell, only 1 electron is here. Now aluminum. Aluminum is Al, and the atomic number is 13. So number of electron is also 13. It is 2 8. Whatever is 10. So it is 3 13. So you can say it is 2 8 3. So valence electron is 3 in outermost cell. Now come to the phosphorus. It is denoted by P, and here is 15. 15, it is 2 8. Number of electron is 15. 2 8, how much? It is 5. So here is 5. You can say it is 2 8 5, and the number of electron in outermost cell, that is the 5. This one is 5. Now chlorine. Chlorine is 17. So first orbit occupied by 2 electron, and second orbit occupied by 8 electrons. So it is 10. So there is 7. So you can write here 2 8 and 7. So 7 electrons in outermost cell. So valence electron is 7. Now argon, it is 18. So 2 8 8. So what happened? It is 2 8 and 8. So outermost cell, there is 8 electron. Their octet is complete. Now potassium, it is 19. So 2 8 8. So 8 and 2 10, or 8 18. So you have only 1 electron. So you can write here 1. It is 1. So here is 2 8 and 8 and 1. And here is 1 electron, and that is called as valence electron. Now calcium. Calcium is 20. So 20, that means it is 2, and here is 8, and here is also 8, and it is 2. So you can write here 2 8 8 and 2. So valence electron is 2. So you can fill this type of this table and draw in your copy. ये सब आपको कॉपी में बनाना है, और बना के लिखेंगे तभी आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा, अदरवाइज नहीं, ये फिर मेरे पास ही रह जाएगा. Now come to the second table, which is given in your book. It is given as element, symbol, and number of proton, mass number. Now find the number of neutron. How can you find the number of neutron? First one is hydrogen. Symbol is H. Number of protons, that is 1. Number of mass 1. So mass number में से इसको minus करना है number of protons को. So there is no neutrons. As you always remember, only one atom is there which have no neutron, and that is the hydrogen. So it is a special type of elements which has no any neutron in the nucleus of the atom. Now come to the lithium. Lithium is 3 protons and 6 mass number. So minus, do the minus, subtract this one, 6 minus 3, that is 3. So number of neutron is 3. Now what about to carbon? Carbon is 6 and 12. So after 12 minus 6, we get 6. So number of neutron is 6. What about to oxygen? Symbol is O, and number of proton is 8, and mass number, that is the 16. 16 minus 8, it becomes 8. So number of neutron is 8. What about to sodium? It is 11, and the mass number is 23. So what happened in this? So 23 minus 11, it is the 12. So number of neutron is 12. Aluminium, it is 13. that means it is 27, it's the mass number, so mass number minus the number of protons, so 7 minus 3, that is the 4, and 1 is here, so it is 14. Now what about to 15? 15 is, here is 15 and here is 31, so you can do the 31 minus 15, so you can write 31 minus 15, so we get 16, so that is the answer. And here is 35 and 17, so it is 75, 35 and 17, so we get 18. Now here is 40, 40 minus 18, so what happened here? 40 minus 18, so it is 22. Now here is 39 minus 19, here is 39 and it is 9. It is potassium. Potassium, that means it gives how much? It is 20. Number of 20. It is calcium is 20 and 40, so 40 minus 20, so we get 20. Now in whole the, once again the symbol of hydrogen, that is S, lithium is Li, carbon is C only, oxygen is O, sodium is Na, N capital N small a, and aluminium A capital L is small. Phosphorus, it is denoted by P. Chlorine, it is denoted by Cl. L is small and C is capital. Argon, argon has A capital and R is small, so Ar. And potassium, that is only K, and calcium, it is C capital and A small. So that is the symbols of all these type of elements, so you can learn by heart. Now come to the isotopes and atomic mass and isobar. So those elements which have same atomic number but different mass number are called as isotopes. So for example, hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. You can see hydrogen. In case of hydrogen, hydrogen is 1 and 1, and second one is 1 and 2, and here is 1 and 3. Here is atomic number, that is 1, it is 1, it is now 1, and the mass number is here, it is 1, it is 2, and it is 3. So you can see mass number is different and the atomic number is same. In case of carbon 12 and carbon 14, you can see here carbon 12 and carbon 14. So you can say carbon 12 has mass number, it is the atomic number, it is 6 and 6, and the mass number, it is 12 and 14. So these are the having the same atomic number but different in their mass number. So this is the example which is given as carbon 12 and carbon 14 have the different number of neutrons. You can say neutrons also, whenever we minus the mass number to electron or proton, so we get only neutrons. So number of neutrons are also differ in this. But isobar, what happened the isobar? Isobar, those elements which have same mass number but different atomic number are called as isobar. So example is argon. Argon is 20 and here is 40, and calcium, argon is 18, here is 18 and 40, and calcium is 20 and it is 40. So you can say mass number is, argon have mass number and calcium have mass number, both are same, but number of protons are differ. So these are the examples. So you can do in your copy isobar and isotopes both. Isotopes definition is here, isotopes definition is given here, and isobar, this one, it is given here. So you can write in your copy. Now come to the next one, relative atomic number. What is the relative atomic mass or relative atomic weight? How can find? For example, chlorine, in nature it has the chlorine 35, it has two isotopes. First one is chlorine 35 and second one is chlorine 37, and the ratio is 3:1. That means chlorine 35 is 75% and the 25% is chlorine 37. So how can do this? So relative atomic weight, how can find? Relative atomic weight is equal to, first of all you can say 75, which one is, it is 35, now it is 35. Now 25, which one? So 25 is 37. So and upon is which one? 75 plus it can be 100. So above part is given as 3550 and here is 100 and that becomes 35.5. So chlorine atomic mass is 35.5. So as you have seen here, bromine is also given, bromine 79 and bromine 81. So relative mass, it is the question number 5. So relative mass, or you can say average atomic mass, you can say average atomic mass, it is equal to, बिल्कुल सेम होगा जैसे ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन है, 79 हाउ मेनी परसेंटेज, इट इज 50.69 and plus 81 is, it is 49.31, and what about to this, it is adding this and that is the 100. So you can calculate it, it becomes 800 and here is 100, it is near about. So cancel to this one and it is cancel out, so we get 80 and that is your answer. Now come to the atomic weight of the elements in this table. हाइड्रोजन इट हैज़ 1.00. ये सभी आपको लर्न करने हैं बाय हार्ट, आपको बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से लर्न होने चाहिए, कॉपी में भी लिखे होने चाहिए और लर्न भी होने चाहिए, किसी भी टाइम आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. देन इट इज द हाइड्रोजन एंड अपर पार्ट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर एंड लोअर पार्ट इज द एटॉमिक वेट, नॉट मास नंबर, it is atomic weight, remember always. So one hydrogen its atomic number is 1 and atomic weight is 1.001, remember always. Helium atomic number is 2 and atomic mass is 4.003, that is. Lithium atomic number is 3 and the atomic mass is 6.941. So you can write and learn. Beryllium is atomic number is 4 and the mass is 9.012, and it is boron has atomic number 5 and the mass is 10.81. Carbon has atomic number 6 and the atomic mass is 12.01, and nitrogen atomic number is 7 and atomic mass is 14.01. Oxygen atomic number is 8 and mass is 16.00. Fluorine mass atomic number is 9 and mass is 19.00, and this is neon atomic number is 10 and the mass is 20.18. What about the sodium? Sodium has the atomic number, that is 11, and the mass is 22.99. And magnesium has atomic number is 12 and the mass is 24.31. And it is aluminum, atomic number is 13 and atomic mass is 26.98. Silicon, it is atomic number is 14 and the atomic mass is 28.08. Now phosphorus it has atomic number 15 and the mass is 30.97. And it is sulfur, atomic number is 16 and the atomic mass is 32.07. And what about to chlorine? Atomic number is 17 and the mass is 35.45. What about to argon? Atomic number is 18 and the mass is 39.95. And here is potassium. Potassium has 19 atomic number and the mass is 39.1. And what about to calcium? Calcium is 20 and mass is 40.02. 20 तक यानी कैल्शियम तक के आपको सब लर्न होना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं है कि लर्न नहीं करे, छोड़ दे रहे हो आप लोग। मैं मोस्टली देखता हूँ आप लोग ऐसा ही करते हो। नाउ कम टू दिस वन, व्हाट हैपन इन दिस क्वेश्चन। The atomic number of atom is 15. So you can write here atomic number. Atomic number. It is given as 15. And the mass number is 31. So you can write here mass number. Mass number is 31. Then what is the number of subatomic particle present? That means electron, proton and neutron. All. These are the some atomic particles, electron, proton and neutron. Now first up of number of protons. Formula is atomic number. Atomic number. So you can write here. So number of proton is equal to, that is the 15 क्योंकि atomic number इसका 15 है. Now come to the mass number. Mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutrons. Mass number is given as 31 and number of proton is 15 and here is neutron. So 31 minus 15 is neutron. So neutron is equal to 16. Now number of protons, number of neutrons all are finding. So first number of electrons, number of electron. It is number of protons. Number of protons are 15. So number of electrons you can find, number of electrons. So now come to the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. So it is 15, that means 2, 8 and 5. So here is how many protons and how many neutrons? Can you tell me? 15 protons and 16 neutrons. And the first orbit only 2 electrons are revolving in this orbit. Now in second orbit there is 8 electrons are revolving. So you can put here 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron, 5 electron, 6 electron, 7 and 1 8. And here is only 5 electrons in the outermost shell. 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 is 5. So these are the electrons. How many electrons? That is the 15 electrons. It is the structure of phosphorus. A structure of phosphorus. So that element is P. So you can do the question very well. It is very simple. So you can do. This one is second question. If K, L cells are an atom full and the M cell has 2 electrons. It has 2 electrons. Then what is the atomic number of the atom? K and L cell are atom are full. K और L दोनों फुल हैं और M cell में 2 हैं. So K has K, L and M. So it is 2, it is 8, it is 2. So you can add them. So atomic numbers you can add them. 2 plus 8 plus 2, it is 12. Atomic number is 12. So this is the question. So you can say it is like this. It is nucleus and nucleus is positive charge, and in first orbit, that is the which one orbit? It is K. It has only 2 electrons which is revolving around the nucleus. And what about to next orbit? It is called as L orbit. So there is 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 electrons. And in the last orbit there is 2 electrons, and that orbit is called as M. So there is only 2 electrons, 1 2. So at electronic configuration is, that is 2 8 and 2. Structure of atom. So you can say atomic number is this your answer. Now come to the third. Write the electronic configuration of the following. Sodium 23. Electronic configuration. So 23 and 11, that is the sodium. Now you can see here atomic number, that is 11, and mass number, it is 23. Now number of protons equal to atomic number. So it is 11. It is number of proton. And mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. So mass number is given as 23 and number of protons, that is 11, and neutron we want to find. So 23 minus 11 is equal to n, so n is equal to 12. And the number of electron is equal to number of proton, and number of electron, it is 11. So electronic configuration. What happened? It is 2, 8 and 1. That is the answer. Now come to the this one, and you can draw the structure of the sodium. Now what about to carbon? कार्बन में भी आप लोग कर सकते हो. Come to the carbon. What happen in the carbon? Carbon is given as 6 and 12. So atomic number, that is the 6, and the mass number is given as 12. This is the mass number. Now number of protons is equal to atomic number. So number of protons you can find. How can? It is atomic number is 6. So number of protons is 6. So now come to the mass number. Mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. So mass number is 12 and the number of proton, that is the 6, and it is n. So n is equal to 12 minus 6, that is 6. So number of electron, that is number of proton. So number of proton is 6. So number of electron you can find. So electronic configuration. Electronic configuration 6 का करना है. It is 2 4. That is your answer. इतना आंसर आपको करना पड़ेगा तब जाके मार्क्स मिलेंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं मिलेंगे. Now come to this one. So you have only one, and that is the chlorine 35 mc. You can write here. It is chlorine. It is 17 and 35. So first of all, atomic number is 17, and the mass number is 35. So number of proton is equal to atomic number. So number of protons you can find, that is the mass number, that is the 17. And what about the mass number? Mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Mass number is 35, and number of proton is 17, and number of neutron, suppose it is n. So 35 minus 17, that is n. So n is equal to 18, and the number of electron is equal to number of proton. So number of proton is 17. So number of electron. Now electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. It is 17. So 2, 8 and 7. So that is the electronic configuration. Now how can do this structure? In the nucleus there is 17 proton and 18 neutron, and in the first orbit there is only 2 electrons are revolving, so there is 2 electrons. In the second orbit there is 8 electrons, so you can draw 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and in outermost orbit there is only 7 electrons. So first electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth, sixth, and 1 7 is here. So that is the structure of chlorine. It is the structure of chlorine. So you can do very well, and draw last 2 questions are also with the structure, यानी structure आप पिछले 2 क्वेश्चनों में भी बनाएंगे. Now come to this one exercise. Now oxygen 816, nitrogen 716 are isobars. Use the example to explain isobar. What is isobar? Isobar, those elements which have same mass number but different atomic number. So you can see here, check here, oxygen 6 and 18, and here is nitrogen, it is 7, it is 16 not 18, and 7 and 16 here is. Yes, now what will be happen? It is 16. So atomic number you can write here, atomic number, it is 6 and it has 7, so it is different. And the mass number, it has 16 and it has 16, so you can write here In the above example, mass numbers of both element have same, that is 16, but they have different atomic number, that is 6 and 7. So these are the difference. So that is the isophore, and you can define very well. So it is very easy. Now come to the next question. Find out the number of valence electron in this. So first of all, 16, O and 8. How can find it is oxygen? First of all, atomic number, that is 8. So number of proton, it is atomic number, and number of proton, its atomic number is 8, so you can write 8. So number of electron is equal to number of proton. So number of electron you can find, number of proton is 8. So electronic configuration, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हमेशा नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन का ही निकलता है, किसी और का नहीं करेंगे कभी, तो 8 का ही करके दिखाएंगे. सो 2 6, so 6 is the valence electron. So you can write here valence electron is equal to 6, and that is your answer. Now similarly nitrogen, and you can see here it is the nitrogen, it is 7 and 14. So you can write here atomic number is given as 7, and the mass number is 14, and number of proton, it's equal to atomic number. You can write atomic number, and atomic number is 7, so you can write 7, it is the number of proton. Now number of electron is equal to number of proton, both are same, so you can write number of electron, that is number of proton, it is 7. So now find the electronic configuration. What happen electronic configuration? It is 7, so you can say 2 and 5. So valence electron is equal to 5. So that is your answer. ये पूरा कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं कि बीच में आप लोग छोड़ दो और कुछ का कुछ करने लगो. कंप्लीट नहीं करेंगे तो मार्क्स आपको नहीं मिलेंगे. नाउ राइट द रूल्स प्रपोज फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अंडर बोर-बरी स्कीम. Use the rules to write the electronic configuration of the given atom and also give the number of neutrons present in each. सब में number of neutrons और ये सब कुछ बताना है हमें, तो हम एक एक पे चलेंगे. पहले तो ये मैंने आपको रूल्स जो हैं पहले लिखवा दिए थे बिफोर रीडिंग दिस. बोर-बरी स्कीम मैंने लिखवा दी थी पहले, सो यू कैन राइट फ्रॉम देयर इन द क्वेश्चन, एंड आई विल टेल यू ओनली द atomic structure of these elements atomic structure. Now come to the atomic structure one by one. So first one is fluorine. It is 9 and 19, and it has atomic number it is 9, and the mass number is given as 19. So first of all, number of proton is equal to atomic number. So number of proton atomic number is 9. So number of protons. Now find the number of electron. Now mass number, as you know, mass number is a number of proton plus number of neutron. Mass number is 19, number of proton 9, and it is n. So n is 19 minus 9, it is 10. Now find the electron. So number of electron, it is number of proton. So number of electrons you can find, that is number of proton, it is 9. Now electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of which one? Fluorine 9 and 19. It is 2 and 7. So that is the answer. In which you have also give the number of neutrons present in each. So number of neutron, it is also answer, and it is electronic configuration, that is also answer. So you can do all this question this type. Now come to the magnesium. What happen in magnesium? Magnesium atomic number is 12, and the mass number, it is 24. So number of proton is equal to atomic number. Number of proton, it is 12, atomic number is 12. So you can say number of proton, that is 12. Now mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Mass number is given as, it is 24, it is 12, and it is n. So 24 minus 12, that is n. So n is equal to 12. It is your answer. Now number of electron is equal to number of proton. So number of proton is, it is 12. So number of electron is here. Is 12. Now electronic configuration. It is 12. So you can say 2 and 8 and 2. So you can write like this, 2, 8, 2. It is 12. So you can write. Now come to this one. So you have 3 questions for your homework. It is homework. So you can do, I know very well. आज आप लोगों का यही मैं समाप्त कर रहा हूँ। ये तीनों होमवर्क मैं दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग करके रखेंगे, और अगर नहीं होगा तो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बनाने की कोशिश करूँगा। अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि स्कूल खुलने वाले हैं। अब ये वीडियो आपको शायद नहीं मिल पाएंगे, अगर सब्सक्राइब करके रखेंगे तो आपको मेरा चैनल मिलता रहेगा। और जितने यार दोस्त हैं सबको शेयर करिए, जिससे वो भी अपनी पढ़ाई कर सकें, और मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें और कमेंट भी करें कैसे आपको वीडियो लग रही है। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं RS प्रसाद आज इस चैप्टर को समाप्त करता हूं। आप अपनी कॉपी कंप्लीट करके रखेंगे।